In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a page in Opera GX. If you've ever found yourself navigating a web page and realizing the content is in a language you don't understand, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of translating that page easily and efficiently. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll want to download and install Opera GX. To do this, simply click on the Download Now option and follow the on-screen instructions. These steps are straightforward, and soon enough, you'll have Opera GX up and running. With that sorted, let's move on to translating a page within this browser. Opera GX has a built-in feature for translation, which means that translating a web page is straightforward. When you land on a page written in a foreign language, Opera GX will automatically detect it. Conveniently, it displays a translation bar at the top of the page, prompting you to translate the content. Keep an eye out for the small pop-up near the address bar that hints at offering translation services. However, if for some reason you don't see this translation bar or need additional translation support, you can use extensions. A great place to find translation tools is the Chrome Web Store. By creating a new tab and visiting chrome.google.com web store, you will have access to a variety of translation extensions. In the search bar, type Translate and hit Enter. You will be met with numerous options such as Google Translate, Translate Web Pages, and more. Each of these has its unique features and interfaces. For today's guide, we're going to focus on using Google Translate. It's a well-known and reliable tool that seamlessly integrates with browsers. Once you locate Google Translate in the store, you'll want to add it to Opera GX. Click on Add to Opera, and the extension will be added to your browser. This step is quick and ensures you have a robust translation tool at your disposal. After the extension is installed, the next step is quite simple. On any web page that needs translating, simply refresh the page. You'll see a pop-up window that suggests translating the content to English or another preferred language. From here, you can effortlessly translate your web page content within Opera GX, enhancing your browsing experience and ensuring you have access to a wealth of global content. And there you have it. With these simple steps, language is no longer a barrier when surfing the internet using Opera GX. Enjoy exploring a diverse range of content from around the world with ease and confidence.